Which way we turn it? That way or this way? There. What do you want? Should I go over here? What do you want? Keep it right here? How much room do you have over on that side here?
No, I've got less than an inch here.
Down. Are you good on the exhaust on that side?
That helped a ton up there. Another job completed. Pace Cars, they only had 186 of these cars produced, and the interior is correct for that year, absolutely flawless. One unique thing is this highway hi-fi. It's a 16 2/3 speed record player that they put in these cars.
Even a highway hi-fi record player.
You can actually listen to this record driving down the road. Really, really unique for technology in 1956.
Jerry, what are you up to?
Well, we're finishing up this 1956 Desoto Pace Car that Amelia Island had requested that we bring up, and the car was restored in 1990, so that put some age on it, and we debated about getting the car ready to go up there, so I decided to pull the motor out where I could paint it, and I could actually get into the engine compartment and detail that out. It needs a little freshening up, and got the motor back in it and just finishing up now, waiting on a few parts to come in. It's hard to source parts for these older cars, 60-year-old cars, so